Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Bgmi, go straight to Settings Audio and toggle Music off to stop theme music immediately. Once done, make sure System Media Volume isn't forcing music through external apps. Next, back up the game config or take screenshots so you can revert. If you prefer file edits, enable a file manager and confirm storage permission. You'll need that for the next step. Do this now so the deeper changes won't overwrite your progress or cause unexpected behavior later. You'll now modify the config so the theme stays disabled. Exit Bgmi, open your file manager, and locate the game's audio config file in the app data folder. Once found, open it with a plain text editor and find keys like BGM, music, or theme. Set their numeric values to 0 and save. Then change the file permission to read-only or move a backup copy to protected storage so updates won't restore defaults. Doing this prevents the game from auto-reverting and keeps music. You're almost done. Reboot the device, launch Bgmi, and verify the theme music is silent while other sounds work. If you still hear music, make sure the edited file saved correctly and that permissions are read-only. Then clear Bgmi cache and relaunch. If problems persist, restore your backup and try editing again or reinstall the game after saving progress. One key troubleshooting tip: if edits break audio, restore the original config immediately to avoid long-term issues, and then repeat the safe editing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.